Should I cover multiple topics on one YouTube channel? Overall, this depends on what your goal happens to be. If you're looking for a broad audience, then that can help you, but you still have to have an anchor point. What's the one thing that ties all of these random things together? Is it you? Is it learning? So for example, on SciShow, which is a science channel, they talk about everything science, but they could talk about absolutely anything. It could be biology, it could be space, it could be theory. Commonly asked questions, it could be how things work, but the anchor point there is that it was all with a science-based twist. This takes a little bit longer to build out what I call the spider web. The spider web being that for every video that you add to your spider web, it attracts more attention, it catches more people, it gains you more subscribers and you grow. A variety channel, you have to build each individual area of that spider web a little bit more because you're building 5 or 6 different topics. So you have to kind of build each area of the spider web to catch each individual thing. There's no point in having one video on biology and 50 on technology if you're trying to do it all in one channel. Alternatively, if you're covering one topic constantly on that channel, then you know that every video you make, no matter what, will add to that spider web and it will get bigger and bigger every time you make a video, no matter what. And therefore it's quicker to build the spider web and it catches more people, but then it's harder to diversify later. An example of this is this channel has over 1,000 YouTube tutorials teaching you every fine detail of YouTube. But if you wanted to learn a little bit more about Alan, those videos are few and far between. You can either, subscribe to my membership and there's some personal videos in there, or you have to dig through the channel to find them. And if I wanted to slowly over time turn it into a personal brand, it takes a lot of hard work to then rebuild a new spider web to catch new people based on that. Or you pick a fantastic topic that's already growing. Check out this video here.